we know is that we must charge upon the field of battle! Oh, shit. Alright, let's get our car ready to go. I think we should... Let's see if we can actually make a break for it. If that's an option. Come on. E? Let's just go for it. Oh, he's not happy. He's like... Oh, shit. I can only take... Can't take another hit. Shit. Oh, there's little... Oh. Alright, just gotta veer. Nope. That's no good. Alright. So maybe there's a better approach to this. Let's get that ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna try the left path this time. It's a little more open. Ah, damn it. It's gonna get me. So I think he drops the bombs wherever you're facing, looks like. So I think if I can do this just right, it'll be just right. Alright. So if I face away from where... Over here. Just turn it. He doesn't know nothing about me. Can I off-road it? No, it's too much to ask. Oh, no. There we go. Make some decent headway now. Find that rock, please. No. Can't. Shall we go again? All those rocks there, it's like damn near impossible. Alright. Can take 2 hits. Damn. Nope, no hits, I'm done. I think the right side is like no chance. Oh, now it's like, yeah, you've died enough times. Turn. Alright, I think I can do this. Far right. Oh no, I'm dead. So dead. Ah, damn. Trap. Up the hill. Ah. I liked it when it started me off. It's all ready to go. Okay. Start him off right. Nope. He's not being too cooperative. Oh, I'm already hit. I don't think I can make it at this rate. Turn right. Far left. Just gonna have to go for it. Yes! That's how you do it. Kahwao 1. Well, I'm getting right back on here. Why would I not? Unless I can't fit. I can't fit. Okay. So this is all going to be about opening these chambers. Oh, what the? Okay. I see. Can you set them off for me? The landminders. Oh. Oh, there you are. You can grab a landmine. Nope, not really. Okay. You go over there. Bring this thing out. Oh, does it slowly go backwards? Okay, lovely. Give him the power. Oh, I have to be quick enough. Okay. So maybe that's not what I'm supposed to do. Alright. There we go. Need this to deactivate. Or I'm just trapped here. Water's still electrified. Can I... No, it's not doing any good. That's not doing any good. Unless I'm supposed to jump on top of the ball. Can certainly try. Can certainly try. Let's just die. Guess that's what you have to do. Okay, I think I see how this works. Not too bad. Oh. More mines. Just thought that was another mine. Alright. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Lava's got nothing on us. Downhill ski jump time. Alright. I'm gonna blast story time. Story time.
Using the great
Mantis.
fires of the violent mountain, they fed their machines.
Hmm.
It was here in the
Feeding
great
the mouth from the
factory where
hand.
the ball was taken. And once it was removed, the machines fell silent.
So the machines are
The
gonna
caretakers
not fall
went
silent
dormant.
as I approach.
If the ball is ever returned to the tomb of the caretakers, the earth will become a living hell.
So my goal is to turn the earth into a living hell. Makes sense now. It all makes sense. Am I gonna run along that pipe to get over the lava as a platforming sequence? That's the big question. Will those stalactites fall from the ceiling? How are all these things able to hold up to this lava? Lava's really hot. And just how many bad guys will I have to face along the way? Will I run them down? Those little sequences are pretty long. Alright, can I survive this? Yep, no problems. And I've got lava wheels for a few seconds. A little red trail behind me. Alright, so this door is not going to open itself, I'm guessing. I think I see the solution. I'll simply bust my way in. Before I do that, I want to see if I can jump on that pipe. It just seems so ominous. Up the rock face. Possibly. Possibly. I should be taking damage. Rock's this hot. I should be taking damage. But I guess I'm a scientist, dude. Archaeologist. Oh. Maybe like this. Like that. I can't get close enough. Oh well. I'll just have to follow the linear story path like usual. Huh. Ha. Huh. Ha. Huh. Huh. Oof. Aye. Oi. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Hey. Ha. Huh. Huh. Oh no, don't fall off the edge. Alright. Okay. Get on the purple pad. Alright, good. Ah! Ah! I just want to get on top where I feel safe from certain bad guys. Oh no. Alright, I can... Oh, it's one of these. It's gravity time. Gravity game. Gotta watch out for those. Somebody get hurt. Alright, so we got spike trap. Causing trouble. Ball can go down there. Alright, so I need to just walk down there and then do a jump. Hoop. That. Yep. Right there. How do I get in? There's a mine over there. From behind, maybe. There's that. Let's put... Does that have to go down there? Possibly. I can retrieve it from down here. Oh no! enough. Come off the edge, please. There we go. Now. Launch. Nope. Big time launch. Like that. Did that open something? Maybe. Let's head over to the next thing. Oh, there's no platform really. I could maybe come from down around there. Like that. Edge to edge, yeah. Spikes go out. Nope, spikes are fixed in place. Here we go.